Hey kids, come sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and dance along. Let's start our ABC song. A is for apple, red and sweet. Crunch it up, what a tasty treat. B is for ball, it bounces high. Catch it fast before it flies. C is for cat who loves to purr. Soft and furry, hear her murr. D is for dog with a wagging tail. He runs and jumps on every trail. E is for elephant, big and gray. He flaps his ears and splashes all day. F is for fish swimming in the sea. Gliding fast and feeling free. G is for giraffe, so tall and kind. With a long, long neck you'll always find. H is for hat, wear it on your head. Yellow, green, or bright red. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. Chocolate, strawberry, mint, and gold. J is for jump, let's hop so high. Touch the clouds up in the sky. K is for kite, flying with the breeze. Up and down among the trees. L is for lion, strong and bold. King of the jungle, brave and gold. M is for monkey, swinging on a vine. Eating bananas all the time. N is for nest, where birds all stay. They sing their songs all through the day. O is for orange, juicy and round. Healthy fruits all year around. P is for panda, black and white. Cuddly and cute, a lovely sight. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. Smiling softly in her gown. R is for rainbow, up so high. Colors shining in the sky. S is for sun, so warm and bright. Gives us sunshine, pure delight. T is for train, chugging fast. Choo-choo, sounds that always last. U is for umbrella, keep you dry when rain comes falling from the sky. V is for violin, playing a tune. La la la, under the moon. W is for whale, big and blue. Swimming deep in the ocean too. X is for final, oh what a sound. Tinkly notes go all around. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Lives in mountains full of air. Z is for zebra, black and white. Stripes that shine in morning light. Now we've sung from A to Z. You've learned the alphabet with me. Clap your hands and shout hooray!